Yo people, what's up? Welcome back to Space Engineers. So, I have been busy and I have been studying programming or the, well, Space Engineers programming ways, and I came to the conclusion I didn't even need a programming block, but I used it anyway. Not for the things that I wanted to use it for, but it basically now displays information here, the programmable block. Actually, let's see it in action. It should do its thing any second now. Wait for it. There we go. It just got deeper. So yeah, that's what my thing does. Let me explain it to you. It's ridiculously easy, and I spent way too long on the programmable block for something that was easily doable with timers. So yeah, let me explain. So the easy thing that I did is I set up a timer block with a delay of 1 minute, and I set up the actions increase my piston deep's maximum distance. So every time it extends it by 0.5 meters. So it goes down every minute, and then it runs my programmable block, and then it starts itself again. So that means 1 minute later it will do it again. Alright, so that's basically it. But what does my programmable block do? It's very easy actually. It's really not complicated. Basically, I don't want to go into programming for people that don't know it too much, but just a simple thing. It gets the text panel, it gets the rotor, and then it sets the rotor's velocity to 1 round per minute. I didn't know it was measured in rounds per minute, because that makes it incredibly a lot more easier than if you just have velocity. And then basically I get the depth and the radius and display it on the display. That's everything it does for now. I think maybe next time I'm gonna figure out how to make it smart, so that after it reaches a maximum depth of 10 meters, it will return and then go in and start again. That is something I want to do for next time. But of course we want to do something this time as well, and not just admire our awesome little machine, although it is kind of cool. I'm very happy about it, I have to say. And this is gonna mine me some sweet, sweet ice. Can you tell? Also, it makes some cool, how do you say? A cool pattern into the ice. You know, oh, that's something for the future, if I'm overflowing with materials. Just an idea. Make a floating platform that has such a drill attached to it, and then set it somewhere and then let it do its thing, and then make it so that it automatically then flies like 10 meters further and does it again. That would be amazing. Maybe someday, maybe we're gonna do something like that. But for now, I want to do, well, what do I want to do actually? The thing is, while I was programming, one of these drones came down, and I missed it obviously because I was so focused on programming. So I guess I'm just gonna, for now, I'm just gonna do some very basic base building, because I'm not quite happy with the base right now. Actually, holy crap, my hydrogen tank is already almost full. That is kind of amazing, actually. Where is it? Holy crap. Okay, so you know what that means? That basically means we can now attach the oxygen as well, which means it will also start produce oxygen, the oxygen generator, which is kind of interesting that the oxygen generator for now was primarily not producing oxygen. And then we're probably gonna build a second hydrogen tank, and with that much hydrogen we might be able to think about building a hydrogen craft to actually leave the atmosphere. That is kind of exciting, actually. Didn't expect it to go that fast. So my my little drill is already paying off in spades, as you can see. Yeah, small tubes, and what was the other thing? Oh, I think it's construction components, which I notoriously do not have enough of, as you can see. But yeah. There we go. So, the thing is, one of these drills is apparently easily enough to fill a oxygen generator to the brim and, well, basically fill up one hydrogen tank, as you can see. That's pretty interesting, though. And I don't think it even put all the ice. Yeah, see, there's 321 tons of ice in this thing. I don't think the generator can even get that much. No, it's at the max, actually. You know what? That means we need to build more generators. We can actually build up our factory now. Oh, that's exciting, actually. Oh, look how deep it's already. I think it's almost at 10 meters. Actually, that's what I have the display for. I'm such an idiot. Current depth. No, not even. It's at 7 meters right now. Oh, this is so amazing. I might manually get it up again and then reset the radius to 0.5 meters back and then do it again. Ah, this is cool. I'm so happy now. I want to do more programmable and blocks and timer blocks. I really didn't use them so far, I have to admit, because maybe that's another thing. In creative, I never use these, because why would I? There's never a use for automation like this in creative. So, yeah. I'm kind of amazed, actually. Alright. Oh, steel plates, my. Steel plates! That's not. Is that enough? I think that's enough. No, it's not. Okay, so we need to get rid of some of the. Let's get rid of, I don't know, some of these. There we go. Sorry, every time I look at this, I'm even more amazed. Alright, so this thing should now be automatically drawing ice as well. Very good. And now it should also start to fill the... oh yeah, look, oxygen is already filling up. Jesus Christ, alright. Extend our base. And build more tanks, I think. I just I'm thinking. Let me think for a second here. Actually, need to do it like this because I cannot change these to the conveyor blocks, because if I disconnect this, everything's gonna be fucked up, I think. I don't want to disconnect this because that will separate these two bases. Not a good idea. So or rather connect them from below, like so. Oh, god damn it. There we go, that's the right color. But it's not the right block, is it? There we go. Yep, construction components galore. We'll need. And we might even build more oxygen generators now, because apparently they're like overfilling right now. Because they're constantly at 108 tons of ice, which seems to be the maximum with the amount of liters you can get. So it's actually kind of amazing, I really have to say. I'm so liking this right now. This game is getting better and better. I'm now rediscovering the joy of survival. It's super odd, but I guess that happens if you don't play survival for that long amount of time, right? You forget how awesome it is to build something like that. That was dumb. That was exceptionally dumb. Still need to learn a lot here, as you can see, but we're going to a good place now. I really think next time we can start to produce a... Oh Jesus, look at the eyes. Holy crap. We can start to produce like a rocket, maybe? Something of that sort that brings us into orbit. And I have also some ideas what I want to do in orbit. I want to like... not a space elevator, but I want to have a system from which I can drop materials from space onto my ground base, basically. That's what I'm aiming for right now, but could be quite complicated. Oh yeah, look, it's full. It's full already. So it's time to put on a new one. That one needs to be red as well, obviously. That's correct, right? Large tubes and steel plates. How many large tubes? This many. Hopefully. Nope. Even more large tubes. Do we even... oh yeah, we still have more. But I want to produce some here. You know, I should set up one of these mining systems over by the ore places. The ore places? The mines. And an unknown signal. Yeah, we'll get to you in a second. Small tubes and steel plates. And large tubes. Alright. So we don't need that. And I need more containers, it seems. Damn it. I didn't expect to run into an issue like that. I really didn't. Of course, metal grid and small tubes. Small tubes. And interior plates. Jesus Christ. I want to go and look at the hole I left back there. Alright, and now we need to connect these, of course, to the network. Because they're not connected right now. Like so. That will be enough. Construction components, yes, obviously. And then we really need to go to find this signal. Where's the construction components? Have I run out again already? God damn it. Oh, right. Well, I still have 12 minutes. There we go. Yeah, it's filling up with ice already. I think I need even more. Holy crap. I was not prepared for the amount of ice that I was getting. Oh, this is hilarious, actually. Grids. plates, interior plates, small tubes, all the stuff. And of course more construction components. Actually also more interior plates. Damn, it's getting stressful. This and this. Where are we? There we go. Oh, interior plates. Interior plates. That's the thing that I needed to produce. Not small. Yeah. Get rid of that. Okay, now I need construction components again. I'm getting overwhelmed by the amount of ice that I actually produce here. Didn't expect that. There we go. And still not enough construction components, but I should be able to get some over this interface. There we go. It split the ice now to several containers. Good. All right. What we wanted to do these, but we were distracted because I'm not getting to anything this episode. I'm getting interrupted by several problems. Some of these. Wait, small tubes, right? Oh, this is... Oh, Jesus Christ. This is already full. This is already full. Oh, man. That is amazing. I need to reorganize my inventory at one point, because that's no way to have all the components like splattered all around the different inventories. And I also need steel. Oh, come on! What else do I need? Steel plates, small tubes, large tubes. Even more steel plates, apparently. And I probably also need some more tubes, right? And then we really need to go and get the drone. 9 minutes. Yeah, we will be able to make it, but still, I'm getting stressed out here. God damn. More of these. Them small tubes. Oh, God. Give me all the small tubes you have. Thank you. Alright. So, this has not yet been filled. Very good. So, we still have some capacity. These are starting to get filled. Okay. Going in here, I think like this, right? Yes, sir. And off we go. Look at it. We're creating a donut. This is fun. This is real fun. I should definitely play more survival. So where is this? Behind the hill here? What? Oof, that was a bit low. Jesus. Aha! I think I spotted it. Should we snag it and drop it off at our base? I mean, that was very comfortable last time. It was very easy to do. Doot. Snap! Well, I need to check, of course, that I do not anchor at the ground. There we go. Picked it up. We have the cargo. We return to base now. Ooh yeah. Oh, this is great. Maybe we'll get another skin, right? Who knows? Maybe we're lucky. We could also drop it now like a bomb. Just throw it down. It will probably break and I might not get a skin from it. Ooh, we're descending a bit rapidly here. Yep! That happens if you descend too rapidly. Very well done. Good demonstration. But actually, that's also why you put on landing gears, because they actually cushion your fall if you do something stupid like that. I think if I didn't have landing gears, I might have completely ruined this aircraft. Oh, I'm a genius. I underestimated the weight, because with this thing on my landing pad, it of course increases the weight of my ship, which drags it down even further. So, that was kind of dangerous. Now let's drop it off here and let's quickly repair, shall we? I don't think these... No, these... Nothing took damage. Only the landing pads. Lucky me. Not the right color. There we go. Yes. Yes. There we go. Oh, motors, obviously. Yes, yes. Stop bleeping in my ear. Do not like it. Oh no, wait. I need this actually. But I don't need this. God damn it. There we go. Motors. That's what we wanted. Getting confused with all the things I need to do right now. Good, replace that one. Ugh, large steel tube and one steel plate. There we go. And we fixed it. Sweet! Alright, next time I need to be a bit more careful when navigating my ship. And park and off. There we go. Alright, let's check. Where's the button? Where is the button? Ah, there it is. Policeman boots. Oh my. Let me check these. Well, they're not that special. Still, we're gonna wear them. Everything we find, we're gonna display with honor and pride. Right? And now let me check what's in the inventory. There it is, right? Interior plates. Very nice. Very nice indeed. And I think I can actually turn off my drill now because I think it's done. And actually I don't think I will even run it right now. Oh, there's the uranium. I will not, you know, run a new iteration of the drill if it's at max right now, because I have way too much ice, apparently. I absolutely underestimated the amount of ice that I'm getting and the amount of the speed of the oxygen generator, because it's actually very slow. That's kind of surprising. And the oxygen tanks are already full again, and this one is starting to fill up. Alright. Fine. Also, this is like a bit of janky construct, but it works. Yeah, alright. Let me see. Oh, I need to stop the timer block, right? Because otherwise... Alright, so... stop the timer block. Stop that. Reset velocity. That should have turned everything off. Yeah! Alright, let's inspect the crater, shall we? Ooh. Isn't that cool? Yeah, if I can automate it now that it does it decrease the radius every time it's at the lowest depth, well, it should pull up, then decrease radius, and then start again. That might be a bit complicated, but I might figure it out just for fun. I'm not really gonna use it right now, to be honest, because we don't need it. But yeah, I need to sort out the inventory at one point, because right now this is pure chaos. Oh god. You know what? We need more. We need more generators. We actually need more of those, right? Generator. Let's plop on 2 more actually. There we go. I don't think they're connected right now. Yeah, I need to connect them separately. Right. Right. Let me get onto that in a second. Oh, it didn't even get enough steel plate. Come on. Huh? Oh, it's not connected. That's why I cannot get it. That's obvious. Duh. There we go. Now we have 4 of these generators, so we should be quite a lot faster. Connect up these 2. Now get motors, obviously. There we go. Now we should be able to boost our output. And you know what? Because we're on it, plonk down 2 more of these bastards. Wait, now I should be... Oh yeah, that's something I really don't like, that you cannot access the conveyor blocks like you could access an inventory. It would be so much easier. You could get stuff so much quicker that way, you know? Oh well. I need to really sort the inventory. I might actually also build a large what's it called? A large container, you know? Large cargo container. That's what it's called, right? And so I can just get this inventory sorted out, you know? So I have one large container with all my basic materials in it. I need to produce more large steel tubes, apparently. Okay then. More tubes. Generally producing more stuff. There we go. This. We all need this stuff. But yeah, now I think we really have more than enough oxygen to prepare our first space flight, which is actually kind of exciting. I don't think I ever have done this in survival. Back in the day when I played survival more regularly, there was no planets. So yeah, I never actually have done a transition from a planet into space. I always started out in space. So that might be quite interesting, actually. And as I said, I want to have like a system where I can get stuff from space back onto the planet, because this right now is still my primary base, and it probably will take a lot of work to get a fully functional space base, at which point I will abandon this one probably. But that will take some time, I think, before that's even an option. So Until then, I'm stuck here, and basically I want to have the benefit of the materials from space, but I don't want to go up into space every time, so I want to figure out a system to easily get these materials down from here. And I'm not talking about a 5,000 kilometer long conveyor tube into space. That's not what I want. I want to have something else. Oh, it's actually splitting now into several. Ah, no, that's the upper. They both are for this tank, the displays. All right, very good. If we want, we can add another layer of oxygen tanks right here. But I'm very proud of what we have done today. Look at our base. It's really starting to look quite proper space engineering, right? Nice. I'm very proud of what we did today. It was a very good day. And yeah, so next time I'm probably gonna start constructing a rocket of some description to go into space. So until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.